Labour Party challenges Nenadi to speak about her plea bargain with EFCC. Again, we are aware that Ms. Usman recently, in a well-televised television program, in cohort with a former Kaduna State governor, joined another political party where she pledged loyalty to that party. We are clearly confused where Usman Nenadi's loyalty lies. The party leadership is also surprised that Nenadi Usman has the temerity to talk about corruption in Nigeria, when indeed she is the headmistress of corruption. Nigerians are aware of all the EFCC cases against her, and we expect Ms. Usman to come out and explain to Nigerians the story behind her plea bargain with EFCC and all the property she allegedly forfeited to EFCC. She should also tell Nigerians how she acquired her radio station in Kaduna State, all her properties all over Nigeria and abroad, her companies in Cameroon, including her plantation. Nenadi Usman simply lacks the moral capacity to comment on any probe or even talk about corruption in Nigeria. We know her antecedents, and it is all over. It's not even coming from me. Click on Nenadi Usman, and you will see her cases with EFCC. It will surprise Nigerians and party faithfuls that the name of one Nenadi Usman was conspicuously omitted from the list of these suspended members of the party. First, we have said repeatedly that the said Nenadi Usman was and is not a member of the Labour Party, being not a card-carrying member of the party. We are aware that she is a member of the Obedient Support Group that worked and is still working for the party's 2023 presidential candidate. We would therefore not honor her or dignify her in any way with any sanction, being not a member of the party.